Hey, the Real Estate Pete here, coming at you from my newest listing here in Garfield, New Jersey. And today we have something very special for you. This is a custom built two-family home, as I said, here in Garfield. And I'd have to say my favorite part has got to be this living room with this handmade wood-burning fireplace. And look at that mantle. It's beautiful, it's huge. So if you are looking for a two-family, maybe you want to live in it. Maybe you want to offset your mortgage, but you don't want to be in a house that feels like a two-family. This is your place. Maybe you're an investor that's just looking for quality construction that you can turn a profit every month. This is your place. Maybe you want additional income. You've got 3 one-car garages and a workshop upstairs that you can rent out for even more money. This is your place. This is a beautiful, like I said, custom built, and you can feel the quality when you walk in this place. So you're not gonna wanna miss this one. Reach out to me for more information, and I'll be seeing you soon.